The Animal Bubble Book. It's a small children's booklet and it's got 3 single-sided Shellac 78 RPM records inside. This is what they look like. The Harper Columbia. Can't see what the rest of it says. This one says it could be 3 Little Pigs, I'm not sure. Let's have a go, see if we can get it to play. Being so small, it has a tendency to set the brake off when I'm trying to put the needle onto.
My dear little brother said one of the brats, my dear little piggy said he, let us all for the future say, this is time is to say, we. These 3 little piggies soon getting hungry, and in my daddy was he, but somehow they couldn't say, and they wouldn't say, we. So after the time, this little pig died, they all died as we love to see. From trying to have to say, when they only could say, we. And Mary went into the little town, and Mary went into
The track is so worn towards the inside that it didn't want to play. It had been played with rusty nails.